Every morning, our pool turned into a real party. Yeah, a party full of seagulls. You could see it had everything: swimming, drinking, the whole deal. But one day, a strange noise came from the pool. Kobe noticed it first. Then I came over with Robert and saw a seagull barely swimming. It was clear something was wrong because it wasn't swimming normally. I pulled it out of the water. I had never seen a seagull up close like that before. I set it on the ground, hoping it would fly away, but it didn't. Its wings seemed broken or injured, and it just couldn't fly. That's when I got an idea: to bring it to where it belonged, a rock on the beach where its seagull friends were. If I left it on the ground, it probably wouldn't survive due to the predators. The funny part came when I tried to catch it again. It couldn't fly, but man, could it run.
I'm trying to find a place and to leave this bird. Whoa!
The plan was simple: leave it on the rock so its friends could warn it if any danger approached from the ground. Each day when we came to the beach, I'd check on it. Watching as it slowly tried to fly, bit by bit. You could see it getting better day by day. Then one day, it made a good leap. I was thrilled. But then, something really magical happened. While we were out on a boat trip, a seagull flew close to us. It stayed in the water right near us. I don't know for sure, but I'd like to believe it was the same seagull we saved, coming by just to say hello.